In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the account owner in Salesforce, specifically focusing on how to bulk update the account owner. Updating account ownership is an essential task when there are changes in team roles or responsibilities. Whether you're transitioning clients to a new representative or reorganizing your sales team, it ensures the right people have the right access to maintain client relationships. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps you need to follow. First, we're going to take advantage of the change owner function built directly into Salesforce. It's a straightforward approach that allows you to ensure all accounts are transitioned smoothly to the new owner. Begin by clicking on the app launcher, which you'll find in the main navigation bar. Once you've clicked there, navigate to Accounts. This section is the heart of managing your client relationships in Salesforce and assembling all accounts you manage in one place. Once you've accessed the Accounts section, it's vital to select a list view of the accounts you want to update. This action helps streamline the process, especially when you're handling numerous accounts. For example, you might choose a list view that shows all accounts under a specific representative or filtered by a particular region. Now hover your mouse over the account you want to update. Take note of the drop-down arrow located on the right-hand side. Clicking on this arrow unveils additional options, hence it's crucial not to skip this step. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the option to change owner. Go ahead and click on it. In the next step, you'll see the option to choose the new owner. Here's where you decide who will be the new point of contact for these accounts. From the drop-down menu, you have the flexibility to select either a specific user or a queue. If you're not familiar, a queue means a group of users which can be especially useful if accounts are managed collaboratively, or if you're temporarily assigning them during a transition period. Once you've made your selection, it's time for the finishing touch. Click Submit to finalize the process. Salesforce will now update the account owner based on your choice. There you have it. By following these detailed steps, you can efficiently transfer account ownership within Salesforce. Always ensure that the right permissions are set for the new owner or queue to avoid any access issues later. With practice, this process will become second nature, enabling you to execute changes swiftly and maintain focus on key client relationships. Remember, teamwork and clarity in responsibility are pivotal in dynamic sales environments. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your transition in Salesforce a breeze.